Hi! Okay, so today's video, I don't know exactly what I'm going to call it, like title it. It's kind of like a sick, lazy day routine, what to do in winter when you're sick. So in this video I'm going to show you a couple of things that I would do when I'm sick. Okay, so in the video you will notice that I'm using an eye mask. I find it better when you're sick not to put on a facial mask because then you have the effort of going downstairs and washing it all off and getting it everywhere and it just turns into a complete mess. What I used was the oxygen mask, eye mask for all night. This is what it looks like here. Basically it's an eye mask you put underneath your eyes. It helps your under eye skin be more healthy, glowing, gets rid of the dark circles and wrinkles, and after you take it off you do feel really refreshing. Say goodbye to tired eyes, dark circles and fine lines, and now you can always look refreshed, bright-eyed and lively. Soothing eye by the oxygen mask, or VII. Or 6, whatever that number is, I don't know. So yeah, you basically have to wear this for 8 hours, that's the only thing. But what I normally do is I wear it to bed when I'm going to sleep and then wake up and it's 8 hours later. Or you can put it on at the start of the day, which I've done in this video, which I found good. So what I've done, I put it on at the start, and then basically when you're chilling or doing whatever, getting on with your day. Obviously you're not going to go out looking like that with your eye mask on. But you know, the second thing I want to talk about is the tea I drank in this video. So this tin tea is the tea I want to talk about, and like I said, it's called tin tea. It's a 20-day detox blend, and this one is the detox blend, and this one is the fat burn blend. And basically you drink this tea first in the morning, I'm guessing, and then you drink this tea before you go to bed or in the evening time when you're chilling. So what this one does, alkalizes, cleanses and detoxifies, reduces bloating. Okay, and this fat burn blend speeds up metabolism, suppresses appetite and burns fat. I have yet to try this one, but I'm so excited and cannot wait. It also comes with a little strainer. I'll have the link to this tea and the eye mask linked down below, so if you want to go check it out, do. And yeah, let's finally get on with the video. all for this video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a massive thumbs up, and if you want more winter or Christmas videos, leave a comment down below and subscribe to my vlog channel for Vlogmas, because I'm doing that every day over there. And yeah, and I'm actually trying to hit 12,000 subscribers before the new year. I do not know if it's possible. I just set myself a goal and that's what I'm doing. So if you could please share this with a friend, or tell a friend about my channel, or tell a friend about me, I don't know. Yeah, and help me get to 12,000, that would be amazing. That's all for this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.